Susan is about to take her driving test. The probability that she will pass on her first attempt is 0.7. And if she fails at this first attempt, the probability that she passes on the second attempt is 0.8. What is the probability that she passes in her first two attempts? Once again, we're in a situation which lends itself very well to the use of a tree diagram, although this is a modified tree diagram, as we'll see. Here we have the first branch, which is going to represent her first test. She can either pass it or fail it. So this branch represents the first attempt. The probability she passes is 0.7, and therefore we know the probability she fails is 0.3. Remember, these must add to 1. Quite clearly, if she passes at the first attempt, she's not going to take the test again, so we're not going to need a branch at the top. Only when she fails will she take the test a second time. So we need a branch here to represent the second attempt at the test, which of course she can either pass or fail. The probability of passing is 0.8, so of failing is 0.2. We're now after the probability that she passes in her first two attempts. So she could either pass on the first attempt, or she could pass on the second attempt. Passing first time, but if she's to pass on the second attempt, this means that she would have failed first time and then passed. So passing the second time means fail on the first attempt and then pass on the second attempt. So passing first time, we know the probability is 0.7. Whenever we see the word or, we add, and then we have to deal with fail and then pass. This is 0.3 times 0.8. So here we have 0.7 plus 0.24, which is 0.94.